This high-performance hinge breaks conventional limits, supporting an expansive opening angle of up to 270 degrees. Featuring precision multi-directional adjustment, it enables fine-tuning in vertical and horizontal directions. With significantly extended adjustment range, door installation becomes effortless. Positioning is simplified, and installation tolerances are seamlessly resolved. Innovatively designed with a quick-release cup system. Simply disengage the dedicated locking pin to rapidly remove or install the cup. Maintenance and upgrades become effortless and efficient. We offer 3 standard cup specifications: straight, medium, and full overlay, comprehensively adapting to diverse door gap clearances and installation requirements.